I'm going to show you how much does it cost to open a Louis Vuitton store. Understand, Louis Vuitton does not franchise and only operates through company-owned or tightly controlled stores. They maintain full control over branding, operations, and store presentation globally. Research high-end markets where Louis Vuitton may consider expanding their retail presence. Create a compelling proposal showing location viability, target customers, and financial potential. Contact LVMH Corporate to formally express interest and submit your business proposal. Prepare for strict screening based on luxury retail experience, financials, and brand alignment. Be ready for startup costs in the millions, including real estate, build-out, and initial inventory. If approved, collaborate with LV's internal teams for store setup, training, and branding. Continuously follow LV's strict operational and quality standards to remain in good standing.